Good morning, everyone. I wish you have a wonderful day. We are now driving to Cortina Ampezzo. So we are going to see the beautiful mountains in there because South Tyrol is popular with the Jagged mountains and the glossy lake. So yesterday we have seen the glossy lake and the mountains, but different style. And now we are driving to Dolomites, which are very popular with the Jagged mountains. So let's go. You see, guys, the view in front, so beautiful. Sometimes it is nice to have a road trip in the car. We can enjoy the scenery. The weather in here changed dramatically. We cannot assume what will be the weather in the next hour, especially in the end of the year. We cannot really predict what the weather will be in the next couple of hours. Hello guys, we make a short break in the beautiful view in here. We are walking down to the beautiful lake because we saw a beautiful lake, a glossy lake again. So this is the way to the lake. Can you see it? This calm green lake. Wow, that's beautiful. It's so quiet in here. It seems like there are only two of us in here.
Warum kommt der hin?
Here is another beautiful lake with the Jagged mountains. Can you see it? Here, behind me. You can see the lake too. Can you see the shadow of the mountains on the lake? Wow, so beautiful, the Jagged mountains.
50 Metern im Kreisverkehr erste Ausfahrt via Cesare Battisti SR 48 nehmen.
Hello, we are at Cortina d'Ampezzo, Cortina in Dolomites. See the beautiful mountains behind me. This water comes from the mountains.
In fact, it's cold as hell. And there's no one there to raise them.
The cable car?
The cable car? Ma mica aperta?
Under construction.
Yes, under construction, yeah.
You cannot use it.
It's only the other cable car is in the center.
The center?
Yes, the center of Cortina, in the bus station. Okay, you know the church, Cortina? The center. I think this is open. Okay. You go to the center, up there, okay? Largo Poste is the bus station here. Okay, bus station.
Let's go. Where should we walk? Okay, I follow you. You don't mind you walk in front of me, so it's natural. I'm the photographer. No, I'm the cameraman. We wanted to take a cable car in Cortina d'Ampezzo, but two of the cable car centers are closed. We have come to check it, so I think the cable cars are closed at this time. So too bad we cannot take a cable car up to the mountain. I can only show you the mountains from here. So beautiful. Can you see the mountain behind me? Yeah. So we are now at the cable car center in the downtown, but the cable car is closed. So this is the cable car station, and it is closed for service. The other one we went just now, it is under construction, and this one is closed. I don't know why. I end my video here. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, don't forget to thumbs up. Thank you for watching. watching.